Welcome. This is how to fix no sound in Delta Emulator on iPhone. So guys, if you ever have these problems, that means that you just have to turn on something into your settings. So to fix this, just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. Now, once you are here, guys, you could just simply scroll down until you see over here accessibility. Now, after that, just simply scroll down a little bit and you will have an option over here, sound recognition. So guys, from here, your iPhone will continuously listen for certain sound and using on-device intelligence, and it will notify you when sounds may be recognized. So just simply turn this on and this will fix the issue. And from here, you will have an option as well to add it to your control center. So pretty much over here, you will have an option of that, and you will have the sounds as well over here if you want to be more specific. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.